Good morning, everybody. This is Philip again from Ryus-Garage, and I welcome you to the third episode of my channel. It's the Friday, 4th of October, and we are going to be driving to the GTR again. But we're not taking the Cooper as usual. We are going to take the GTR. I'm going to pick up John. We're going to meet again, and then we'll be driving to the garage. Today, the agenda is to remove everything in the interior because we're going to strip it, put the cage in the future. So the plan for today is to make the interior completely naked and not destroy any of those parts because they are very rare. Some of them are even quite expensive. For example, the A-pillars of the car. Also these handles, they are very hard to find for the GTR in good shape because most of the time they just break off. And yeah, so we are trying to make it work today. I had a very cool day yesterday, which was Thursday. I met with a cool dude, Andreas is his name. He's also in the YouTube game and also doing Instagram and also in the car culture, especially in Germany. He has a Mark V Supra. He filmed a video with me together about my car, about why I'm in the car industry, or not in the car industry, but in a car enthusiast, so to say. We are just talking a little bit about my car, showing some cool videos of my car, and so I will link his video in the description. It will be released on Friday next week. So when you are watching this, the video is not live, but I will tell you in the next video again. I will also, of course, start doing those kind of videos about the purple GTR 2 because I really want to show you what the car is and what state it is. What engine setup it's running, and just to give you a very detailed overview of the car. But I didn't have the time, unfortunately, to do the video today. The weather is quite great, and just picked up some groceries for today, some water and some food, so we are not starving to death today. Make sure to watch the video next week on Friday too for Andreas. He's a very cool guy, I like him. And he does great videos. Without further talking, let's jump into the GTR, pick up John, go see what the GTR is up to, and then hopefully we can remove everything today and see what kind of damage is under there, because I can assume that there's a lot of rust hiding underneath the carpet, hiding beneath and underneath the panels. So we're going to see just what's up.
Hello guys, this is Philip from the office. I'm sorry, the audio for this video unfortunately has gone bad, so I can't use it. That's why I'm doing a voiceover for this video. I was just talking to you that I went back to the car, to the GTR, because I filmed some shots of the shop from JD Emhart, his 300ZX. And I was just talking about that we are going to tackle the interior, taking everything out. That's the plan for today, and then I will show you later what the state is of the interior. Maybe we find some rust, maybe we don't, I can't say. So let's get into it.